Can you tell them what we're doing today?
What are we doing today?
What should we do?
This is giant and it looks like a cat.
A lion that looks like a cat. That looks great. Excuse me, I got a question. What does a lion say? Whoa! I thought you were a lion for a second
No,
there.
I am a lion.
I knew you were a lion, probably because you look like a lion. Do you want one of these?
Yeah.
Deal. That one's for you, this one's for me.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? We're gonna draw an eye right here. A circle?
Right here?
Yeah, right about here.
Right here?
Yeah. And now look at this. Over here, right here, we're gonna draw another circle.
Right here?
Yeah. And in the circle, we're gonna do a little dot.
Okay.
And we can color it in. Color in that dot.
Like this?
Yeah, Veda, you're doing great. Okay, let's do the same dot in the other eye. This is going to be an awesome lion. Oh, I like your eyes. Okay, check this out. Coming down from the eyes, we're going to draw
You know what?
a line.
If we have to draw it on the table, if we have to draw on a paper.
Draw on the paper, not on the table.
And if we
Same.
draw on the table, we can just clean it up.
We'll just clean it up. Exactly. Okay, start at the eye and draw a line from here all the way down to here.
Right here?
Yep. Now we're going to do the same on this side.
It's
A
here?
line, nope, on this side. On this side, down to here.
Like this?
Yup. And now we're going to draw a line straight across. This is going to be the beginning of his nose. Right down here. Starting here, go down to here. Yeah.
Right here?
Sure, that works.
Right here?
That's awesome. Let's color in his nose. So it's nice and black. Yeah, color it in nice and black, nice and dark. Can even leave a little highlight glow on it. That's awesome, Veda. Okay, so the next step is we're going to draw his mouth. So right at the bottom of his nose, we're going to draw a line down.
Right here?
Yep.
Right here?
Oh, you already did a line down. Now look at this. We're going to do a big smile. You want to do a big smile?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go like this. From up here, down to the bottom of that line, to up there.
Right here?
Sure.
Like this?
Yeah, that's a good smile. Oh, good one, Vedi. Yep. Now, we got to do his ears. Right above his eyes. Right up here, we're going to do a little ear. And then we're going to do, look at this, Vedi. Good one. Oh, that looks like a good ear. He probably hears so good. He probably hears all the other gazelles running around with that ear.
Right here?
And then, yeah, you got it. And then let's draw a line between the two ears.
Okay, right here?
Yep, and in the middle of the line, you can draw a couple little fluffy hairs, like this.
Right here?
Right on. Yep, that's some good fluffy hair. Now look at this. Lions kind of have long faces. So right at the bottom of the ear, we're going to draw this. Watch this. Whoa! All the way down to that smile. And then let's draw a line up from the other side, all the way up to his ear.
This?
Yep, that is looking great. Now look at, right in here, we can do a few dots. These are his whisker holes. On this side, and a few on this side. That's kind of a fun part, hey? Now, do we want to do some little eyebrows? Like, right above his eyes? Kind of makes him look a little surprised.
Yeah.
I got a question for you, bud.
Okay.
Do lions have a chin?
Yeah.
Do they? Should we draw one?
Yeah.
Okay, right underneath, let's draw a little chin. Just like that. Oh yeah. We're gonna draw his big hair. Almost as wide as you can. Kind of make it fluffy all the way down.
Mine is going to be a down.
It's gonna be a what?
A down.
Right on.
Yeah?
Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Now we should do a couple whiskers, like ting, ting, ting. Same on the other side. Ting. So I'm going to draw his neck here. You don't really have room for his neck. So should we draw some bees? Ready?
Yeah.
So come on up here. We're going to draw a little circle.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a pretty big bee. Look at my bee. It's going to be a little smaller. It's going to be a little one like that.
My bees don't be
Big.
big.
And then in your circle, do some stripes. Line, 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 line. Because bees, ladybugs, love polka dots. But bees like stripes.
If to be drawn on the table, we have to have fun, right?
Yep. Okay, should we do his wings?
Yeah.
Okay, right up here, I'm going to do 2 big bubbles on the top.
Okay.
Love it. Should we draw his head?
Yeah.
And then should we color it in black?
Yeah. It is.
Yeah, I think that's great.
It is yes.
And then I'm going to do 2 little antennas.
Me too.
Right in the top. There and there. Excellent. And maybe a couple little feet. Veda, I love your bee. Should we draw one more bee?
Yeah.
A bee buddy. All bees like to have buddies.
Yeah, I don't on my neck yet.
Okay. And now what's the next step? Stripes?
Yeah.
Okay. And his head?
And yeah.
And then little antennas. Ding, ding. How do bees fly? Yeah. We forgot his little pointy black stinger at the very back. Now, do we want to do one more bee? A little baby bee? See if you can draw the last bee by memory.
Yeah.
Yep. Just a little guy. Little stripes. Look at that bee. What's that bee's name?
Fluffy.
Fluffy the bee.
Yeah.
Great name for a bee. When you're done a drawing, what do you got to do? What do you got to write?
Waiter.
You got to write your name.
Yeah.
And pen high five? Excellent. Veda, you did so good.
Thanks for drawing on from us.
Yep. Thanks for drawing along, and we hope you had fun drawing a lion and his buddy bees.
And to have fun.
Always have fun.
Yeah. Bye and see you later.
Cool. See you till later.